Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm just coming on quickly. I'm going to leave the link to the video I watched the other night, and I was like, oh, that is brilliant, that's just genius. Susan, a lady called Susan Taylor Brown, she does a lot of live videos, which as you've probably heard me say before, I don't tend to watch live videos. Anyway, she put this one up the other night, not a live one, just a video, and it was called Glue Napkins Zero Wrinkles, and I thought, I watched it and what a great idea, I've got to do it. And I've only done a couple. Susan used book text, book text pages, but I've used my colouring books, adult colouring books, because I'm into using those at the minute. And this is sort of a going off track here a little bit, but Amy from Aljon, she gave me the idea, I don't know whether it's last year or a couple of years ago, to use napkins over the top of book pages, and she just glued them on. But Susan's video, and also I'm going off track again, sorry, but I'm excited. I've done the fusing napkins to papers before with the cling wrap method. I've done that lots of times, but this way that Susan did is brilliant. What you do, you just get your paper, whatever paper, music sheet, book pages, these sort of pages, colouring pages, whatever paper you want to use, and you cover it with glue. And I've got a little bit of the gloss left that I don't like, so I've used that. I think Susan had used Mod Podge, but I just wanted to use that up. Just tried it on 2 sheets. Put your glue on, and I use quite a thick layer. Then you leave it to dry, right? So this one was Mod Podge. You leave it to dry, and then you get your napkin and just get your top layer of napkin. So this is your dried glue page, pretend. I'm not showing you because I'm going to leave the link. Put that on your dried glue, and then you put a piece of parchment over the top and iron it on, and it irons all of the wrinkles out. It's just brilliant. I love it. I mean, I don't mind napkin on wet glue and wrinkles. I like that as well, but some people don't like the wrinkles. And you just iron it on, and it's brilliant. Susan did say afterwards that she'd forgot to say in her video that she usually sews round whatever she's doing as well, but I don't know whether you need to do that, but I just needed to come on and show you because I just think it's brilliant. This one I've done with just white PVA, this is just a big cheap PVA white glue. Don't water them down. Or I didn't. I don't know whether Susan did. I can't remember what she said, but I just used neat. But it's such a good idea, quick idea. You could just have a day or a few hours or half an hour or whatever of just gluing pages, leaving them to dry for another day until you want to do the napkins, put the napkins on, and say, I just think it's brilliant. No idea what I shall be doing with these, but I knew I wanted to try it. And as well, and I've only just noticed this, I suppose it's probably with having the white paper underneath, I don't know, but look how is it picking it up? Yeah, it's just bringing the colours out. Look at the difference. It's just making them brighter. And this one it has done as well. But anyway, that is my quick little share with you this morning. Like I say, I will leave the link to Susan's video so that you can watch her how to do it. But I can't set everything up properly with my iron and all that lot. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you this morning. But I think it's just real good idea. And as well, afterwards, Susan said that she'd seen people do it on boxes and things like that, and then I thought, I've actually seen that, and it was only last week or the week before. Ruby from Little Books. If you don't know Ruby, pop across. I'll leave the link to Ruby's channel. She was actually doing a similar sort of thing on, I can't remember what she'd done it on now, but it was on a hard object, but on a hard object, and she'd put glue on and napkins on and ironed on it, but don't think she left hers to dry. But when I saw this of Susan's, I'd totally forgotten about rubies. My brain is like in one brain cell, out the other, and I've forgotten. But anyway, that's my little bit of excitement for today. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, and thank you, Susan, for putting that video up. I first started following Susan on Instagram, I think, and then realised she got a YouTube channel, and I need to watch more of her videos because she's brill. So thanks very much, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.